If you have been following my machine tutorials, you know that I have showed you song view as well as ideas view. But today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to arrange any song inside of the machine. If you haven't already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Young Fizz. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. First things first, we want to make sure that we are looking at the ideas view. So let's hit arrange. And that's going to take us to ideas view. If you're not, just hold down shift and then hit ideas. So I have my intro, verse, and hook. So now hit scene and then hit append. Now we just simply click in 1, 2, 3. Done. Just like that, we have the arrangement. Shift arrange takes us to view it on our screen. And let's take a listen. If you guys like content like this, do me a favor and hit that like button, and we will see you on the next tutorial. We out.